A regular question that comes up for us at Pro Trade United is, when we're looking at our pricing, is it best to charge by the hour or charge a flat rate? So that's a pretty big question, and not necessarily something that we can answer in a short period of time. But let me give you some things to consider for your business and which one could suit you better than the other. So first and foremost, what we aim to work with clients on is continuing to help them position themselves as experts in their field. Specialists, not generalists. And so when you come to looking at how you charge, let's just forget for a little bit that we're working in the trade and construction industry and that you are a specialist in your field. So when you go to see a specialist, and let's say it's a health specialist, you're not there to pay the specialist by the time it takes for him to diagnose the challenge and fix the problem. There's usually a fixed rate because of his expertise, and if he can fix it in a shorter period of time, then probably even better. A bit like going to the dentist. If the dentist said, listen, we're going to have to do some filling and drilling, we can take half an hour or we can take 3 hours. What would you prefer? I think I know what you choose because I know what I'd choose as well. Let's get the job done over and done quickly. And I'll pay the same amount. So we're not being charged by the time, we're being charged by the outcome and the result that it's produced. Take that back into your business now. And I'd like you to start thinking as a specialist, and is there a way that you can eliminate the clock watchers or the people who are looking over your shoulder or the people who are price shopping just on hourly rate? Now in your business, it could be a combination of both. But one of the reasons why people tend to stick with the hourly rate is because it's easy. It's the way it's always been done. It doesn't take time to set up within software or job management programs or training of the team. It is what it is. I can say it over the phone. I can incorporate it into my construction projects, and it's easy. But I'm going to challenge you that the best businesses don't always take the easy road. They take the path which is going to give them the benefits in the long term. And if you take the time to look at a way to set up more of a fixed price or a menu pricing for your business, the rewards will come down the track. And the clients that we've worked with to help set up templates in the job management software, train their team, make sure that the profit margin is worked into all of the jobs and the pricing that they're doing, are reaping the benefits now. It may be a combination of both. There's no right, wrong, good or bad. But I'm going to challenge you to start thinking differently than the old way or the easy way, which was the hourly rate. And I'll send someone out to do the job. It's X amount for the first 30 minutes and then X amount for every 15 minutes after that, plus the materials. Challenges with that is that what happens if the job blows out? What happens if there's opportunities on site to do extra work there and then? Well, often the employee may not have the ability to invoice or quote for that type of work as well. Let's lean towards being the specialist. Let's lean towards being the professional of your trade. Let's lean towards investing some time and energy and focus in setting up your pricing to reflect your expertise, your experience, the specialization that you're creating in your business to make it easy for people to choose you, pay you, and help you generate profits for your business. I trust that makes sense. And if you'd like some more support in creating your pricing strategy, please be in touch.